So we arrived at Galilei International Airport. Galilei Galilei Airport. And this is Angelo trying to find out where the bus is.
The taxis are here. I don't know when they're gonna turn them off.
Come on. Well, we are in Galilei Airport. Galilei. So this is the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Sono dei tipo dei musei, vediamo queste cose.
Leaning Tower of Pisa.
So Tiffany got scammed.
No.
She was like, yeah, I want this t-shirt. I mean, why? She was like,
no.
Now because you got me to this.
No, it's because Angelo started talking. Okay, because he's such a sociable person. And then someone,
I didn't buy anything.
Someone then asked if
I still didn't buy anything.
If we wanted to look at the store, and we had to because he was trying to convince us. And then Angelo's like, "Oh, do you want to buy anything?" And I was like, "No, I want to look around." But then the guy forced us to go to the shop.
No, he says if you like any, you like. No, I think you actually chose to buy. Like,
no, because
Chinese.
yeah, Angelo scanned me. Thank you. Bye. The Fallen Angel. Angelo Caduto. Angelo. The real Angelo. The fallen Angelo.
Okay, let's go, baby, now.
Angelo Caduto. Angelo. Today is my birthday, okay? But
Happy birthday.
But we came a bit early to the tower, so we have to wait until 12 because it's only like 11:40. But it's a nice day. Italy because we wanted the sun, right? Okay. And then look at this noob sitting in the shade. So we came to Italy for the nice sun. I am in the sun, you can see. But this noob doesn't want to be in the sun anymore. And it's like 30 plus degrees. It's supposed to be summer. Oh, now he comes in the sun.
Getting chased by wasps.
Now he comes in the sun.
I get the call on the phone.
We're gonna eat focaccia. Okay?